surface area and volume. My dear students, let us see the concept in geometry, that is surface area and volume. What is volume? Volume means measuring the dimensions of three-dimensional objects or things, measuring the space occupied by it. Students, let us see any object, for example, a box. Measuring the surface of three-dimensional objects is called as surface area. When we measure the three dimensions of the box, it is the surface area. Also, it means measuring the volume of three-dimensional objects. Let us first understand the one dimension, such as a line. We use dimension called length to measure this one dimension. Now, if we measure this line, then its length is 1 centimeter. Centimeter is the unit of measuring the length. Do you remember the concept of two dimensions in the chapter area? If the side of one dimension line is stretched to another side by 1 centimeter or is increased, then we get a two-sided figure. If 1 centimeter line is increased vertically by 1 centimeter to another side, then we will see that the square is formed. We have seen that area of this square is 1 square centimeter. The measurement of two-dimensional figure is done with two dimensions only. It is called as an area because original line was of 1 centimeter and we stretched one side of it by 1 centimeter. The distance covered by that line has become 1 square centimeter. So it is said that area of this part is 1 square centimeter. We generally use unit square centimeter while measuring the area. Students, now imagine that this is a two-dimensional square. Increase it by one direction. Means increase the square vertically by distance of 1 centimeter. Now this is three-dimensional figure or a cube is formed. We say it is a cube and the measure of the space occupied by a cube is called the volume of the figure. But how much space is occupied by this cube? We have increased the 1 square centimeter area by 1 centimeter to the third side. So the volume of this cube is 1 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter is unit of volume measurement. That means the square unit is used to measure the area while cube unit is used to measure the volume. While measuring area, we have to do multiplication of both the sides. That means centimeter into centimeter, which means square of the centimeter. In the same way, there is multiplication of three sides in volume. So centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, which means a cube of the centimeter. Area is not only in centimeters but also in square inch, square meter, square kilometer, etc. Similarly, cubic meter, cubic kilometer, etc. units are used. Students, as we can calculate the area of any two-dimensional figure, similarly, we can calculate the volume of any three-dimensional figure or object. Here is two-dimensional circle as well as three-dimensional ball or any sphere. As we can find the area of a circular part by making small squares, similarly we can find the volume of any round ball or object by making small cubes. We get the accuracy of the area of that figure as much as we draw small squares. In the same way, smaller the cube, the more accuracy is gained while finding the volume. Total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 in bracket L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Therefore, the total surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 square meter is equal to 100 into 100 square centimeter, which is equal to 10,000 square centimeters, which is equal to 10 raised to 4 square centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 square centimeter is equal to 10 into 10 square millimeter, which is equal to 100 square millimeters, which is equal to 10 raised to 2 square millimeters. Cuboid, cube, cylinder, etc. are three-dimensional solid figures. These solid figures occupy some space. The measure of the space occupied by a solid is called the volume of the solid. Students, let us understand the concept of standard unit of volume. The cube with side 1 cm is shown in the adjoining figure. The space occupied by this cube is a standard unit of volume. It is written as 1 cubic centimeter. In short, it is written as 1 cc or 1 centimeters cube. Students, get some cubes with side 1 centimeter. Arrange 6 such cubes as shown in the figure. We will get a cuboid. This cuboid is of length 3 cm, breadth 2 cm and height 1 cm. The cuboid is formed by 6 cubes with side 1 cm. Note that the volume of the cuboid is 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 6 cubic centimeter. Students, the length, breadth and height of the adjoining cuboid is 3 cm, 2 cm and 2 cm respectively. In this cuboid, there are 3 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 12 cubes of volume 1 cubic centimeter each. So the volume of the cuboid is 12 cubic centimeter. From this we get the formula: volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Taking L for length, B for breadth and H for height, volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Students, see in the adjoining figure, there are 8 cubes, each of volume 1 cubic centimeter. We get a cube of side 2 centimeter. Note that the volume of this cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 raised to 3. From this, if the side of cube is L, then the volume of the cube is equal to L into L into L, which is equal to L cube. Let us understand the concept of volume of a liquid. Let us take an example of a container. Now fill liquid in it. Hence, space occupied by liquid is its volume. We know that units used for measuring the volume of liquid are milliliter and liter. Let us take an empty cube. Its side is 10 cm is shown in the adjoining figure. Its volume is equal to 10 into 10 into 10, which is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Now let us fill the cube with water. The volume of water will also be 1000 cubic centimeters. This volume is called 1 liter. Now we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Therefore, 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter, which is equal to 1000 milliliters. Hence we get 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliters. Hence, the volume of water filled in a cube of side 1 centimeter is 1 milliliters.